Can you blow it? Blow hard. Blow down on it. You blow up on it. Did that get your face?
Hot.
Can you blow them out?
I did. It's all done. I'll clean up this part.
Thank you for cleaning that up for me.
That's a table. I clean up that table. I want no more. Get it off.
Help me get them off. Blow it hard. Blow up.
I did that.
Yeah?
I have done more.
You all done?
Yeah. I'm out of
Okay, clean off the table for me.
Okay, I will clean this part. Round.
Where'd you go?
It's here. It's here. I'm peeking.
Where are you?
Here. Ah!
There you are.
I will bring the candles off.
You want more candles?
No, I'm all done. I'll clean.